Hello, my dear friends! Today we'll talk about one of the most actual topics in the world of trading. What to choose, Forex or binary options? So, both these instruments provide different opportunities to earn, but they also have their features, their risks and strategies. So, in this video, we'll analyze main difference between them and will help you to understand what suits you the best. So, I'll share beneficial advices for successful trading as well. We're trading on Pocket Option Broker today. It has an opportunity to trade in both Forex and binary options. The link is in the description. And we get started. So, we start with binary options. On binary options, trading is based on what time you set for your deal. Thus, let me give you some example. Here it comes. We take now, for example, this case. Here, it is an exact level of resistance, and I see lots of rolling back movements here. All of that means the level is strong and likely will get a roll back, somewhere from here. I open a $25 deal with lower using 1 minute as a time. 1 minute is the expiration time, and if in 1 minute the price gets lower than my entry point, then I get my profit. This is how it works. And if the price will get higher than my entry point, I'll lose those $25. Okay, I'll get 80% of income. In other words, my net profit will be $20. Payouts are fixated here. They can change, but mostly it happens very rarely, In general, on binary options, payout is from 70 to 92%, something like that. So, we have literally 3 seconds left till the deal's closure. And I think it will be a confident profit. Yeah, as I've already said, $20 of net profit is what I've got, and my balance is $120. As you can see on my deals example, on binary options, what we need is to catch small and short-term movements. Let me open another deal as an example, and we'll move to Forex analysis after that. So I found another case, and I opened a deal with higher for 1 minute. Well, in this case, is the local support level, from which we could possibly get a rollback. For that reason, I've already seen exact traction from this level, and if we check the approach of the level by the price, we see the big candle in favor of seller. It means that pretty likely the rollback is coming because some buyer appeared in this area. So, my deal is closed at a loss, but it's fine, no worries, I'll just increase my bet amount. So, the candle is closed, and I open a deal, a position with higher, with as a double bet amount. If the deal is closed in a profit, I compensate the loss from the previous deal and get a small profit more than that. Okay, let me zoom the chart in so I explain you why I opened the cover here. Okay, in this case, as I've already said, is a support level. But, as I've already said, this level was falsely broken through. Why falsely? Because the breakthrough was accompanied by this candle's formation. It has big shadow at the bottom and small body. This candle means the seller's weak and tells us also there is some buyer there who'll be pushing the price higher. So, a confident movement comes and we get our profit. As you see, just in 2 deals, I managed to earn 40% to my deposit. Pretty good. This is indeed a great result, and as you see, binary options trading is very simple. And now, let's move to Forex analysis. So, we move to Forex. To open Forex, we click Trading tab and choose Forex MT5 Real Account. So, let's figure out what is trading on Forex. Okay, unlike binary options, our income depends on how big is the movement we manage to catch. Let's imagine we open a position in this moment. And in total, we closed it in this moment. Thus, our income will depend on the difference between our entry point and closure point. The same for losses, guys. Let's imagine we've opened a deal with lower, but it closed in this moment. And our loss was being calculated depending on the difference between the entry point and closure point. This is how it works here. So let's open a deal on this currency. I'm going to, open a deal with lower. So I choose sell button. It is called like that here. Then I need to set the amount of my position. The volume is being calculated in lots. For convenience, the broker automatically calculates the sum of lots in dollars. So my position's volume is $122. Now let's figure out the settings of position. When we open this tab, take profit and stop loss settings appears. Let me briefly explain you what do they mean. So, take profit is the fixation of profit. For example, if we open the deal in this moment, in this point, but if we said take profit right here. So we consider the price will get till here. And as soon as the price reaches this point, our position is automatically closed in a fixated profit. On the other hand, stop loss is conversely fixation of losses. And if we set, for example, stop loss in this point, and the price would reach stop loss, then the deal would be closed automatically in a fixated loss. So now, let me briefly manage everything and open a deal. So, I open my position. Let's watch it. Okay, position appeared. Guys, now we move to analyzing the chart. Let's do it. Okay, when trading on Forex, you should understand that on Forex, there are more global time frames considered, as its deals are usually long-term and they can last for weeks. So this is why time frames are bigger. Okay, in this case, I consider 1 hour time frame. And here I see that an exact support level used to be here, which was updated. And the price gets back to it. This is called the retest of the level, and mostly the price keeps going further after that. And in this case, it's downward. Okay, let's remove those lines now and watch candles. If we check them, we see there are big shadows at the top. The shadows means, in this case, there is a seller who will be pushing the price lower. And if we check the whole picture, as confirmation factor, we can mark the general trend being downward here. You can see it right in front of you. So now let's wait for the deal's closure. My dear friends, it's been a long time since I opened my deal. Let me close it on my own with no take profit, please. So to close the deal, we click close and confirm. And our position is automatically closed. So I've got a profit from this deal, $25. And let's watch the movement we managed to catch. I opened the deal while this candle's formation. And in total, I managed to catch the movement for this maximums update. Honestly, pretty good result, and it could possibly be even better if I left this deal for longer. Nevertheless, I'm satisfied with these results as well. So let's summarize right now. And what is better, trading in Forex or trading on binary options? As for me, honestly, I prefer binary options trading as they provide opportunities to open much more deals in a short period of time. But Forex cannot be underestimated as well. Anyway, what's better? It's you who decides. And if you don't have much time to spend on trading, but you really want your stable income, then I can recommend you subscribing to my Telegram channel, where I post effective signals on binary options. So, if you want to get your profit today already, then subscribe to my Telegram channel following the link in the description. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching it. I was really glad to see you here. Don't forget to put your likes, and bye-bye.